At Indercombe High School, we offer the Broadcast Media Pathway. Broadcast media is part of the arts, media, and entertainment industry. Students will gain and master skills in video storytelling, media arts, news broadcasting, and interviewing skills.
I am a senior here at Indercombe High School. I am an intern at the River Cats. I am looking to study journalism as my major at Sac State and pursue that into sports commentating. If I had not taken this class, I would not have had the ability to become a River Cats employee.
The program helps students understand and execute the process of creating broadcast programming, either for live broadcast or streaming content on internet platforms such as YouTube or social media. Because of the complexity of broadcasting, students are exposed to numerous tasks and jobs throughout the program.
Broadcast media is just like one of those other things that I could just think I could take my life somewhere with. I did not know what a TriCaster was. I did not know what these cameras could do with them. I did not know how to edit. I learned how to become a better anchor. To go to internships, they want to know if you could work on that.
Some students may have a desire to work behind the camera on the technical side, learning about sound, lighting, and editing software.
I really love to edit. It's my passion. I make videos on my free time and I edit pretty much all the Tiger Talks. I would like to work for at least KCR3, Fox 40, somewhere in the media base, editing and with cameras.
Others may have a desire to be on the talent side where auditory and writing skills are emphasized.
My favorite part of the class is when we do Tiger Talk. I love writing the script. I'm always coming up with the ideas of what I want to do for weather segment and special events that will be coming up for our school.
Both areas focus students to work as a team and as a key part of working in a broadcasting environment.
Like if I could get somehow into film directing through this, that would be great.
The program also draws on outreach with tours of local television affiliates, internships, and entry-level production work experience.
I did learn about the opportunities and internships that I can get and see if I really want to pursue this field, because as of right now, I'm pretty sure I want to, but I have to get that hands-on experience first.
To learn more about the Broadcast Media Pathway and all of our CTE pathways, visit the website below.